Hi, grade 4. Today we're going to be talking about subtracting fractions with unlike denominators. So we're going to go through some vocabulary for fractions. We have a fraction. It names a part of a whole. So 8 over 4 is a fraction. Then we have numerator. It's the top number of a fraction. It tells how many parts in a whole are being considered. So 8 and 8 over 4 is the numerator. Then the third one is denominator, the bottom part of number of a fraction. It tells the total number of equal parts in a whole. So 4 and 8 over 4 is the denominator. Then we have improper fraction, a fraction whose numerator is greater than its denominator. So 8 over 4 is an improper fraction. Lastly, we have common multiple, a multiple that is common for two or more numbers. For example, 2 and 3's common multiples could be 6 and 12, because 2 times 3 and 3 times 2 is equal to 6, and 2 times 6 and 3 times 4 is equal to 12. All right, so we're going to start with a subtraction problem. So we have 7 over 15 minus 1 over 3. So the very first step is to find the first common multiple. Just like when we're adding fractions with unlike denominators, it is quite the same. So we have 3. So counting up by 3, so we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. We're going to stop there for now. We have 15, 15. Oh, look, there is our first common multiple. 15 and 15 are both 3 and 15, so we can stop there. So 15 is our first common multiple. So number 2, we're going to divide the first common multiple by the smaller denominator. So in this case, the first common multiple is 15. The smaller denominator is 3. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. So in step number 3, we're going to multiply the numerator and the denominator of the smaller fraction by the quotient from step number 2. So the numerator being 1, the denominator being 3, and the quotient being 5. So 1 times 5 is 5. 3 times 5 is 15. So 5 over 15 is our new fraction. Step number 4. Subtract the new fraction, which is 5 over 15, from the bigger fraction, which was 7 over 15. So our denominators are the same, so we can cross them out and put the denominator 15 as the denominator for the answer. Then we can just subtract them, just like we did normal subtraction. 7 minus 5 is 2. So then we'd have to simplify the answer if possible. Is it possible to divide 15 and 2 by the same number to make them smaller? Well, 2 you can only divide by 1 and 2. So can you divide 15 by 1? Yes, but that equals the same thing. So can we divide 15 by 2? No, it does not go into whole numbers, so we cannot divide it. So that means the answer of 7 over 15 minus 1 over 3 is 2 over 15. All right, let's try one more together. So we have 8 over 12 minus 2 over 4. So we have to find the first common multiple. So we have 4, 8, 12, 16. Then we have 12, oh, look, we matched. So we have 12 and 12. So 12 is the first common multiple. Step number 2, divide the first common multiple, which is 12, by the smaller denominator, which is 4. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. And then we have to multiply the numerator, which is 2, and the denominator, which is 4, of the smaller fraction by the quotient, which is 3, from step number 2. So 2 over 4 multiplied by 3, so 2 times 3 is 6. 4 times 3 is 12. So 6 over 12 is our new fraction. So then step number 4, we have to subtract the new fraction, which was 6 over 12, from the bigger fraction, which was 8 over 12. So 8 over 12 minus 6 over 12 is, Our denominators, look at them. Are they the same? Yeah, so we can cross them out and put the 12 in the answer for the denominator. Then we subtract just like we would with normal subtraction. 8 minus 6 is 2. All right, then we have to simplify if possible. So looking at this, we have 2 over 12. Can we simplify it? 2 can only be divided by 1 and 2. So can 12 be divided by 2? Yes, so let's divide both sides by 2. What is 12 divided by 2? 6. And 2 divided by 2? 1. So that means the answer of 8 over 12 minus 2 over 4 is 1 over 6. All right, grade 4, hopefully you guys understood that. If you guys still need more help, you can contact me at any time, or you can look in your textbook at page 268. All right, goodbye, grade 4.